In a world where time is money and every second counts, you need a logistics partner who can deliver anytime, anywhere. Welcome to Heart Worldwide Logistics Limited, your one-stop solution for comprehensive logistics services by air, sea, and land. With Heart Worldwide Logistics Limited, your goods travel faster, safer, and more efficiently. Our state-of-the-art air cargo services ensure that your high-priority shipments reach their destinations in record time. For bulk and international freight, our sea transport offers unmatched reliability and capacity, navigating the world's busiest ports with ease. And on land, our extensive fleet of trucks ensures timely deliveries across cities, states, and borders, keeping your supply chain moving without a hitch. Heart Worldwide Logistics Limited, we leverage cutting-edge technology and a dedicated team of experts to provide you with real-time tracking, personalized service, and unparalleled support. From the moment your shipment leaves your hands until it reaches its final destination, we handle every detail with precision and care. Heart Worldwide Logistics Limited, connecting the world, one delivery at a time. Contact us today and experience the future of logistics.